Hello, citizens. Today from SMI, I'm going to show you how to create your Etsy shop. Okay, now we're on my computer screen and we're going to go step by step to creating your Etsy shop. Now, the steps I'm using here is if you never had an Etsy profile, never had an Etsy shop before. And it's a lot different from when I created my Etsy shop, because things are constantly updating here. So go to Etsy.com, type it in your browser. Doesn't matter what browser you use. Now we're going to click on Sell on Etsy. Your little page pops up. Now you're going to click on Open Your Etsy Shop. Now you're going to put in your email address. Whatever your email address is. Continue. Type in your name. Type in your password. Register. Okay. Now open your Etsy shop. So after you put in your email address, your name, pick your password, you're going to click on Open Your Etsy Shop. So here you put in your shop preferences, your language, country, your currency, which best describes you. That part doesn't really matter too much. It's just, I guess, for them to keep track. So I'm going to just click that one. Everything's already preset for me. Depending on where you are, you might have to change it, like change a different language or shop, country, whatnot. Save and continue. Name your shop. Now, the thing with naming your shop is you technically can pick any name, but it has to be an original name. So for my personal shop, let's say if it was Snow Shop. Now that only works if there's never ever been a snow shop. It won't work if someone else has the same name. Now you can always go back and change your shop name later, but remember that even if that shop isn't in existence anymore, you can never reuse that name. Etsy has this thing where names can only ever be used once, even if someone deactivated it or changed it later. So just keep that in mind for naming your shop. So you're going to enter your shop name, you check the availability, save and continue. All right. And from the next step will be stock your shop. I'll be putting up a video later about how to add listings to your shop. The next one's how you get paid. So there you put in your own personal information, how you want to get paid, direct deposits and whatnot. You'll type that all in. And billing the same. So they most likely ask you at that point for a credit card or whatnot if you wanted automatic payments or you just want to be notified when your bill's up and you'll pay it. Now we can get into this later, but when you have sales, if you still have a balance on your Etsy shop, it'll take the balance before it pays you. All right, that's it for now. Before I go, don't forget to check out the link in the video description. There you can sign up to be a part of my email list where I'll send you updates on new videos I made or links to other videos that can help you in your progress or awesome workshops, a whole bunch of cool stuff. So if you don't want to miss out, click that link. And remember, if you don't quit, you won't fail. And it's never too late to follow your dreams. Bye.